Welcome. This is Uptown Level 2.
Classes.
This is Charleston. Charleston Week 3. You guys did great. We showed you some new stuff we reviewed, but then we showed you some new stuff. One was putting a little slide in your Charleston basic.
Yeah.
Look like this. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slide. We talked about either like you can pull back with heel, pull back with the flat foot, try. But don't let your other foot catch up too soon. And then we did the other thing that I didn't know the name of, but Jeremy said it's called.
Did Johnny break?
Mm-hmm. And it looks like this. Want to put a basic on top?
Sure.
5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2. You write it right back into a basic. So with a partner, those look like this. We'll do a basic, one with a slide and then the Johnny.
Okay.
5, 6, 7, 8, the basic. Hoop. One with the slide. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
That's right. Okay, one more time. Just that one.
Boom, boom, bum.
Hey.
Box up back into a basic. We did it perfect. You never knew it. Here we go. Goodbye.